Dear learners, in this section we will learn vinculum numbers. What is vinculum numbers? Vinculum numbers is the complement of a number. Vinculum process or vinculum number are the basics of Vedic mathematics. Vinculum means bar present over the symbol or digit. Now let's understand vinculum notation. We will use all from 9 and the last from 10 and one more than the previous sutra. We will see how to convert a positive number to negative form and normal number to vinculum form. Now, first we will see how to convert a positive number to vinculum form. For an example, 9 can be written as 1 bar 1. The base of 9 and the base of 11 is 10. So, 10 minus of 1 is 9. 19 can be written as 2 bar 1. The base of 19 and 21 is 20. So, 20 minus 1 is 19. 29 equals to 3 bar 1. Base is 30. So, 30 minus 1 is 29. 28 can be written as 3 bar 2. That is 30 minus 2 is 28. 36 equals to 4 bar 4. That is 40 minus 4 is 36. 38 is 4 bar 2. That is 40 minus 2 is 38. 127 is 13 bar 3. That is 130 minus 3 is 127. 159 is 2 bar 41. That is 200 minus 41. This is equals to 159. 168 is 2 bar 32. That is 200 minus 32 is 168. At the end, 237 can be written as 24 bar 3. That is 240 minus 3 is 237. Now let's convert vinculum number to the normal form. Suppose we have a number 12 bar 86. How we can convert it? 12 bar 86 can be written as 1314. What is the base of 1314? The base is 300. What is the base of 1314? The base is 1300. So 1300 minus 14 is 1286. 222 bar means 200 minus 22, that is 178. 13 bar 14 means 1300 minus 14, that is 1286. 423 bar 1 means we have to make two partitions as shown. 423 partition 1. Now 400 minus 23 is 377. 1 can be carried forwarded. So we have here 3771 as an answer. Where we can use this vinculum process? Vinculum number are used especially whenever we have higher digits like 6, 7, 8, 9 in a number for carrying out subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Like any other number, vinculum number is a hypothetical number used in Vedic mathematics to make calculation faster. Now we will use vinculum process for subtraction using Vedic mathematics. Most of us have difficulty and uncertainty whenever we need to do subtraction, especially when it becomes to subtraction of larger digit from smaller digit. What we can do in this case? In this case, we just subtract smaller digit from the bigger digit and write a bar over it. If smaller digit is to be subtracted from bigger digit, then carry usual method. In final answer, Vinculum number, convert to normal number using Vinculum process. For an example, 783 minus 348. Starting from left to right, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, but here 3 cannot be subtracted from 8, so 8 minus 3 is bar 5. What is the base of 445? The base is 440. So 440 minus 5 is 435. 623 minus 376. Starting from left to right, 6 minus 3 is 3. Now 2 cannot be subtracted from 7. So 7 minus 2 is bar 5. Similarly, 6 minus 3 is bar 3. Now, what is the base of 3 bar 53? The base is 300. So, 300 minus 53 is 247. In the next example, 19,083 minus 1,831. Starting from left to right, 19 minus 1 is 18. 8 minus 0 is bar 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, we have to make two partitions as shown. 1, 8, bar 8 and 52. What is the base of 188? The base is 180. So, 180 minus 8 is 172. We can take 52 as it is. So, our answer is 17,252. At the end, 11,111 minus 8,876. Starting from left to right, we have 1. Then 8 minus 1 is bar 7. 8 minus 1 is bar 7. 7 minus 1 is bar 6. And 6 minus 1 is bar 5. What is the base of 17,765? The base is 10,000. So 10,000 minus 7,765 is 2,235. Now we hope learners are understood how we can use Vinculum process for subtraction using Vedic mathematics.